Welcome back to more Firefly. In the last episode, we established that we're going to use Gemini 3 with Nano Banana for this section, at least for now, in widescreen. What I want to work out this time to start with is this word nulling. So I've not heard this word before, but just in my research, I realized that it's quite a common theme. It's based on something that came out in the 80s, where you sort of, you'll see exactly what it is, hopefully. And we'll use a papaya. It's basically laying out all the items in an object, but sort of deconstructing it. So you get to see some quite interesting results, right? Wow, it's even got the leaves of the papaya. So this is something you could do for, I guess you could do this for fruit and vegetables. You'd probably get you probably get good results for it. All kinds of fruit and veg, right? Interesting, right? You really get some really cool looking results. I wonder what if you do like a machine. Let's do it like this. I was thinking this is quite a simple machine. Huh, wow, interesting. Yeah, because I thought there was lots of parts to this. So you really can deconstruct things like that. Let's try something even more. Let's see what comes with it. Do this. A lot more in an actuator, right? All right. So that's definitely something which is worth keeping in mind. This was a Gemini prompt I found, but uh, let's just try this one as well. Let's see how this one works. So this could be anything, right? I was looking at some PCB boards from games consoles recently. I was watching like people who were like fixing them and stuff. You sort of, if you look at some of the older boards, right, there's just a certain amount of capacitors there, and I'm sure there's been some attempt to do this, but to turn that into like a cityscape, because the capacitors could be apartment blocks. Not such a great. I think you would need something different for that. I might change this one up a little bit. This was the one I found, right? The reason I got it was mainly because I like this first section. Create a triptych layout divided into 3 vertical cinematic panels, each showcasing a different. Let's try sport, maybe something like that. I wonder also like what sport it would choose, because we saw like most people are aware of what sports are most popular. So would it just automatically choose the sports that are most popular? So surfing, basketball, ice hockey. I mean, it makes sense probably because I guess I guess that would make sense actually. Maybe not surfing, but pretty cool though. Definitely using triptych layout. It gives you an idea of how we can structure the content at least. And like I said, we're probably going to use the reference. I've already done those in early episodes, the reference images, but let's see what we've got this time. Yeah, it's not good on the words, is it? This. So let's see if we can maybe try and improve that. See that? See that comes makes a completely different one. Oh, then it got shadow right. Looks better though, right? I'm not quite sure where this hand is coming from, but still. Yeah, I guess I can see why it's there. Maybe a mime, or what's this sort of like a jester might be a good one there. Um, think about some of those flickering illusions, dancing against the background. Flickering again. So again, we're seeing like repetitions of words, right? Just so it knows to put more. It reminds me very much of corpus linguistics, where it's the most. Well, how many instances of the word do we have? The shadows cast. So if we maybe do by uh, by shadow gestures, right? Let's try again. Maybe it'll work. Move the fluidity and grace, creating a mesmerizing spectacle as the intense heat. So I think that might work better, right? We've defined the sort of the subject a bit better. Let's see what we've got here. So there we can see, yeah, the jest. It's worked out what the jester hat looks like, right? Looks better. Well, looks way better, right? So this is the important thing. Highlight the subject, and then if you can, highlight them again. Yeah, that looks good, right? There's no doubt that looks good. So we went from so essentially we went from something which it didn't basically understand at all, and then with just a few tweaks, we've gone to something that actually really does look reasonably good, right? This section actually has done it properly as well. Let's create a circle around the shapes.